Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, I'm Dikshita, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be talking about the difference between loose powder and compact powder. I know it's a very basic thing, but many people still don't know what is the difference between both of these kind of powders and how you are supposed to use these powders, how are the different ways you can use this powder. And there was a comment as well from one of my subscriber on one of my videos sometime back where she asked me about the difference, and that gave me this idea actually, because I think there will be many other people who still don't know the exact difference between the loose powder and compact powder. So I just thought of sitting down and explaining the difference between both of these kind of powders to you guys in today's video. So if you are interested, please keep on watching this video, but before that, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. I create a lot of beauty related content on my channel, fashion related content on my channel. I create different makeup tutorials, I share reviews on a lot of different products, both are high-end and affordable, and I think the content on my channel will be really helpful for you. So please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. And also hit the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Now without any further ado, let's start rolling. Let's start with loose powder. So as the name suggests, loose powders are loose in form, like this one. So I have this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder with me. So as you can see, this powder is in loose form. Loose powders generally काफी finely milled होते हैं, and that's why they are very lightweight. They don't feel heavy on the face. So you generally use loose powders to set your makeup, especially under the eyes where you apply concealer. You generally use loose powders to set your concealer because वो काफी lightweight होते हैं and finely milled होते हैं. Also, loose powders में कुछ भी pigment नहीं होता है, so they don't give you coverage. Mostly जो loose powders होते हैं वो without pigment होते हैं, like you will see translucent powder, transparent powder. So उस तरह के powder में बिल्कुल भी pigment नहीं होता है, so they don't give you any coverage. But nowadays in the market you will see loose powders with pigment as well, which does give you little bit coverage as well, like this one from Maybelline. ये जो Maybelline का loose powder है, it does provide you little bit coverage because इसके अंदर थोड़ा बहुत pigment है. So nowadays we see different shades as well in loose powder because उनके अंदर थोड़ा सा pigment होता है. That's why they give you little bit coverage, but still they won't give you high coverage or anything because they are not supposed to give you any coverage. They are just supposed to set your makeup in place. You can also use loose powders for baking, where you apply little more amount to set the cream product in place. Like you can do baking under your eyes or around this area. Basically the area which you want to highlight, तो आप थोड़ा ज़्यादा product apply करते हैं and you let it set for like some time so that जो आपका product है वो अच्छे से set हो जाए, जो भी cream product underneath है वो अच्छे से set हो जाए, and then you dust off the excess product. So this is called baking, and for baking you use loose powder only. You cannot use compact powder for that. So that was all about the loose powders. Now let's talk about compact powder. So जो compact powder है वो एक compact की form में आते हैं, like this one. So this one is from Charlotte Tilbury. So the compact powders will look like this. So as compared to the loose powders, compact powders are little bit on heavier side. Compact powders does contain pigment, so that's why you see a lot of shades in compact powder which can match your skin tone, and they do contain coverage. They are actually supposed to provide you a little bit coverage as well. So mostly compact powder में आपको coverage मिलता है. Now you can use compact powder in multiple ways. First, you can use compact powder to even out your skin. So on days when you don't want to wear foundation, you don't want to wear full face of makeup, or for your no makeup looks, you can just apply compact powder to even out your skin tone, because compact powder के अंदर coverage होती है, so that way it can even out your skin tone. But you can't use loose powder for the same because loose powders के अंदर generally ज़्यादा coverage नहीं होती है. Second, you can use compact powder to set your makeup like loose powders, but loose powders since as I already mentioned थोड़े लाइट होते हैं, थोड़े ज़्यादा फाइनली इमेड होते हैं, तो वो आपको बेटर तरीके से मेकअप को सेट कर देता है, स्पेशली अंडर द आईज. बट अगर आप फुल फेस पे अप्लाई कर रहे हो तो यू कैन यूज कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर एज वेल टू सेट रेस्ट ऑफ योर face. But I generally use loose powder only to set the concealer under the eyes. You can use loose powder to set the rest of the face as well. So basically you can use loose powder or compact powder to set your makeup. Third, you can use compact powder for your touch-up. So if you are wearing your makeup for a longer time and in case you get oily, you can use compact powder to take away that oil, or you can just touch up your makeup with that compact powder, but you shouldn't apply compact powder again and again. Like you shouldn't touch up again and again, because since compact powder के अंदर coverage होती है, it can make your makeup look cakey अगर बार बार आप उसको apply करेंगे तो, because वो बार बार वो coverage उसके अंदर add होती जाएगी और ultimately the makeup can look cakey. So you shouldn't do that again and again, but you can use compact powder to touch up your makeup once or twice if you are wearing your makeup for longer time. So this way you can use compact powder for multiple purposes. So those were the basic differences between loose powder and compact powders, and I hope कि आपको अब difference clear हो गया होगा दोनों में. There is one more category of powder which is finishing powder. I don't think India में ज़्यादा finishing powders available हैं. At least I am not aware of any. I know about only one finishing powder, which is this one from Verified. This is their Iris Paris Filter Airbrush Powder. So this is basically a finishing powder. So it looks like this. So as you can see, it is a translucent powder. So इसके अंदर coverage नहीं है बिल्कुल भी, but you can use this powder after you are done with your makeup before applying the highlighter, because ये जो powder है वो आपके पूरे मेकअप को काफ़ी blur कर देता है, एक mattify look provide करता है. तो अगर highlighter के ऊपर apply करोगे तो ये highlighter को भी मैट कर देगा. सो बिफोर अप्लाइंग द हाइलाइटर, आफ्टर यू आर डन विथ योर फुल फेस ऑफ मेकअप, यू कैन यूज दिस पाउडर एज अ फिनिशिंग पाउडर. तो आपके पूरे मेकअप को अच्छे से सेट कर देगा, एक बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल सी ब्लर फिनिश प्रोवाइड करता है, एक बहुत ही अच्छी सी मैटिफाइंग फिनिश प्रोवाइड करता है ये पाउडर. सो दीज काइंड ऑफ पाउडर्स आर कॉल्ड फिनिशिंग पाउडर. तो आई एम अवेयर ऑफ ओनली दिस फिनिशिंग पाउडर ओनली, बट आई थिंक लॉरा मर्सियर में भी फिनिशिंग पाउडर आता है. समटाइम्स फिनिशिंग पाउडर्स में थोड़ी सी शीन होती है, so that they can provide you little bit of glow as well. Like in the L'Oreal Mercier, I know there is one glowy variant which comes, and I think Milani के अंदर आता है एक finishing powder which also contains little bit of sheen to it, like it can provide you a little bit of glow. You generally use finishing powders on all over your face. So yeah guys, that's all for today's video. I tried to provide you maximum information which I could. I'm actually thinking of doing a video where I'll share with you guys my favorite loose powders and compact powders. So please let me know in the comment box if you would be interested in watching that video. And I hope this video was helpful for you. You liked this video. If you did, please like and share this video. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. And don't forget to press the notification bell so that you will be notified for my future uploads. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.